Introducing UPCnet, a unified communication solution for business. Simple, economic and integrated. Let's see how it works. David's office phone rings. It is his boss calling. But David is not in the office. He has stayed at home today. His boss rings him up, but David's cell phone is switched off. He tries with a land phone. He doesn't manage to find him. He knows that this morning David had a visit with a client, but he can't remember which one. With UPCnet, you can contact David wherever he is. You are no longer calling to numbers, but to people. If David has an internet connection, you can ring him up when he's at home, in another company, in a cyber cafe, in a park. But what happens when he's abroad? Irene works in David's team, but she barely sees him. She spends 3 out of 4 weeks traveling. They communicate to each other via email, but there are some issues that need to be explained by phone. Today she's in New York, and she remembers how expensive her last cell phone bill was. With UPCnet, Irene can call David through the internet as if she were in the company, and therefore at zero cost. That is not only easier to talk to other people, it is also cheaper. But is UPCnet just for people that work in the same company? Mr. Taylor is a university professor who often collaborates with Irene and David. Telephone communications are usually discarded because of their high cost. The system used by Mr. Taylor to communicate through the internet is not UPCnet, and he's not keen on installing new software, paying licenses, or dealing with compatibility problems on his Mac. Everything is sorted out. Mr. Taylor's solution uses the SIP standard, as UPCnet does, and therefore he can ring Irene and David using their names with no need to use UPCnet. Although he's considering changing to UPCnet, he loves the idea of getting access through a web portal which works either on Windows, Mac or Linux. So all members get connected to each other regardless of distance, creating an integrated communication system at zero cost, or at least at local cost, making mobility easier and improving productivity and collaboration. This is UPCnet. Landphone, cell phone, fax, voicemail, instant messaging, and more in a unique environment. Enterprise communications. Simple, economic, and integrated. Go to UPCnet and request your demo.